Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am going to put a clay mask in my hair today. Now that they're out of the braids, it's a good chance for me to do a little bit of detox and use a little bit of clay mask. So that's how I'm going to wash my hair after my braids. So if you go on my channel, guys, you're going to see how I make this clay mask. Very easy to make. Let's get started. I love the consistency of this mask. Whenever I make it, I tend to make it a little bit more watery so that I can get some good hydration because I'm putting in oils, a couple of ingredients that are great for not only detoxing my hair, but keeps it hydrated at the same time. So what I do is very simple, guys. I go in, I section my hair, and I just apply it from root to tip because I do want this to detox my hair. So go in, make sure that it's completely covered, and I get a good soak out of it. And I use a lot of clay, so don't be shy. Get a good amount of clay because you want all of your strand and your scalp to be completely detoxed. And don't worry, guys, unless you have some reaction to the clay itself, the mix I made, you can see it fell on my face. It's not a problem for it to actually get on your skin. So that's what I'm gonna do, is apply this entirely all over my hair from root to tip. Make sure everything is covered so I can get a good detox out of this. So guys, one of the things I do is I make sure that after I cover my entire hair, everything is in, that I get all of my edges. Don't forget your edges because you want to make sure those are detoxed as well, because those accumulate a lot of debris and buildup. So I go in, I make sure it's all over my edges, check my ends again. You guys can see my entire hair is covered. I love this. It doesn't feel too stiff. It feels really nice. It's actually quite cooling. If you can see the texture already in my hair. So I love this clay mask. Now after I put this in, another thing I do to make sure that the hydration stays throughout, because I'm gonna leave this in for about an hour, is actually covered with a plastic cap. So I just go ahead, put this over and make sure it's not covering my ears, and just make sure I get all my hair in it and just cover it all through. And we're gonna leave this in for 1 hour or about an hour. So after all that's out, if you can see that clay is not stiff, it's not dry, except for little pieces around my edges. Pretty much everything is quite hydrating. It looks nice, it feels nice, and it's ready to wash out. And guys, this is so easy to wash out. It pretty much just comes out. I use my little scalp massager because I want to make sure all my scalp is as clean as possible. So first is I use the warm water to get all of the clay out, make sure everything is completely rinsed out. And after that is rinsed out, I go ahead and rinse it with some cold water to make sure that I close back my cuticles and my hair is freshly washed. And you don't need any shampoo, any other conditioner, guys. This does great to not only clean your hair but leaves it hydrated, leaves it clean. And here you go, guys. Fresh detox scalp after protective scalp. Great easy way for you to take care of your scalp and hair after it's been put away for a while and not putting too much strain on it, fresh out of the braids. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it quite a bit. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. And of course, as usual, guys, don't forget to go over and watch my last video.